Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do another haul, this one on all things e.l.f. So if you would like to see what I spent an obscene amount of money on from e.l.f., please keep on watching. Alright guys, so before we begin, if you notice that anything looks different, it is because I switched to my vlog camera and I'm still learning how to use it, so hopefully everything looks okay. And same with the sound. I couldn't figure out how to plug my mic from my other camera into that, so just bear with me, okay? My battery to my other camera died while I was filming the insanely huge, long Sephora VIB sale haul. So if you haven't seen that, grab a snack and I'll link it down below and you can go watch that for this one. But anyways, I recently spent like $200, around $200 on e.l.f. Why? Because I love e.l.f. I feel like e.l.f. is like probably one of the absolute best drugstore brands. It is ridiculously affordable, but like the way the products tend to perform makes you feel like it should be so much more expensive than it is. I love e.l.f. One of my absolute favorite foundations is from e.l.f. So I figured it'd be fun to do a full face of e.l.f. products, but I didn't have enough stuff to do a full face. So I was like, well, I'll buy what I need. And then I bought like a million things more. So, you know, I am who I am. So we're just gonna get into all of that. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I upload. I upload weekly, so you get to see this beautiful face at least twice a week, and I would love to have you. All right, so let's get into this box. Not that I have any more room, because I haven't taken care of the Sephora haul stuff yet, because I am pre-filming everything and filming in batches as I can, so it's such a mess, but we're gonna make it work. So this is what it looks like in the side of my box. There's just a whole, well, you can't see underneath this, but there's a whole lot of goodies in there. So let's just jump right in, I guess. This is the e.l.f. Rose Gold Matte Lip Vault. And honestly, I bought this because I liked the packaging of the lipsticks inside of it. So yeah, like look how pretty those look. I hope they perform well, but like also at least they'll look good in my makeup organizers. I'm not gonna swatch all of those. I'm running out of room, but you know. Alright, so the next thing is this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Mine is in the color Fair Rose. Separating a little bit, but you know, it's fine. This is what it looks like. It's quite a lot of product, and I'm very excited to try that out. How crazy it is to have come from my last video to this one, where it's like all like super luxury products and now e.l.f. What can I say? Makeup is makeup, and I love it all. Alright, so I got a lot of lip products from them. I'm just gonna tell you that now. This is the Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Blushing Rose, and it looks like that. It's a very pretty mauve-y color, and it looks like that. It glided on pretty good. It is kind of sheer, like not completely sheer, but it definitely looks like it's not completely opaque. This is the Lip Plumping Gloss in Pink Cosmos. I just got it because, again, I love glosses, and this looks like a pretty color. Looks like this. And I'm running out of room to swatch. You can barely see it. It's got just the absolute lightest pink tint. I'm not even sure if you can see it on camera. Very, very light, but I think it's beautiful. It went on very smoothly, so I think that's gonna be a good gloss. The next thing is this e.l.f. Beauty Shield Vitamin C Pollution Prevention Serum. I just got this because I needed new vitamin C. It was like $16 and I was like, that's cheap. So I figured, you know, try it. If I don't like it, I mean, I can get a different one, but who knows, maybe I'll love it. You know, I need more vitamin C. I ran out of my last one. So why not? And I've heard some good things about like e.l.f. skincare actually, so why not give it a go? Packaging is very beautiful, very sleek. This actually looks like something you would get at Sephora, like, which, and I've said that, I've always actually said that I feel like e.l.f. products like perform, a lot of their products perform like something you get at Sephora, so it's definitely one of those drugstore gems. So I'm excited to try this. Next is this lip lacquer, and it is in the shade Natural. And it looks like this. I don't know if I showed you that. And this right here. Ooh, okay, so it's just a very light brown, like a red, like a peachy-ish brown. It's right there, and I think that's very pretty. And it's, again, glided on so smoothly and beautifully. Next is this e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in the color Ocean Eyes. I just thought the blue looked really beautiful, and I thought maybe one of these days I'll recreate an earlier look that I had done when I was trying out the KKW and Mario palette, their first palette, remember? If you don't remember, I'll try and link it down below, but I had put that beautiful, stunning blue color that's in that palette underneath my my lower lash line, and I was just thinking, like, how much prettier would that look be if I put some glitter, like some blue glitter on it too, so now I can. And so this is what it looks like, just one quick little swatch. It's so pretty, it's so pretty, and it feels really good. It feels, the consistency feels very similar to like the Stila glitters, so I'm really excited to give this a try. This is the matte lip color in the color Natural. I keep saying I'm gonna like experiment with more colors, and then I buy Natural. I think I've got like natural colored stuff in like every brand, like for lips and stuff, and you can never get enough nudes. Okay, I did get color. I got that glitter. So this looks, ooh, that's so smooth. That glided on really nicely, and it looks like that. It's like a very light pinky nude, and I'm excited for it, guys. That was beautiful. That went on so well. This is, told you I got so much lip products. This is the liquid matte lipstick in the color Praline. It looks like this. So it did kind of separate, and it seems very oily. I think it needs to be mixed up. However, I don't necessarily think that that's a problem with the product. I think it's just from transit, and it's like super ridiculously hot here in Arizona, and who knows how long it was on that truck before it got here. I'm not going to knock the product, but the color is very pretty. It's a brown color. Can you see that? And yeah, so we'll get it mixed up and then give it another shot. But the next thing is this liquid matte lipstick in Marvelous, and it looks like this. Yeah, because see, this one is going on a lot better, so I think that one just needs mixed up. And it looks like that. That is beautiful mauve color. I absolutely like that, like love that color. I think that's gorgeous, and I cannot wait to play with that. I got so much lip stuff. But this is another concealer. This is the Flawless concealer, and mine is in the shade Bare Rose. So same as the Camo concealer. And looks like this. And yeah, I'm very excited. I've heard really good things about their concealers, and if they're even close to being like their foundations, then you know they're going to be great. So next is another liquid matte lipstick. This is in the color Tea Rose. It looks like this. It looks like it's separated a bit to 2 in transit. So let's see. Hopefully we can get a good swatch, but if not, we'll get it mixed up and, you know, we'll play with it eventually. So this one, running out of hand space because my hands are child-sized. That is stunning. That is beautiful. I really like this one. Next is the Natural Glow Face Palette. Beautiful, almost dropped it. Beautiful packaging. It feels very sturdy, you know what I mean? It doesn't feel super cheap, so I really like that. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, very excited for that. Running out of room to set everything down. Next is this moisturizing lipstick in Ravishing Rose. Just looks like this. Ooh, very creamy, very pigmented. Looks like that. It's a very pretty, like, pinky red. I like that. I think that's beautiful. Next is this smudge proof mascara in black. I liked that it has 2 sides. You got a side for the upper lashes and the lower lashes, so I thought that'd be fun to try. So this is the side for the upper lashes. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm so sorry if you can't. I can't see the viewfinder, so I don't know. You might not even be able to see me at all. Ooh, look how tiny that is. Can you see that? That's for the lower lashes. That looks like I might actually, for once in my life, not mess up when I'm doing my lower lashes though, so very exciting. Next is the e.l.f. Precision Liquid. Of course it's e.l.f. This whole thing is an e.l.f. haul. It's been a long day. Alright, here's the Precision Liquid Eyeliner. You guys know I love me a good liquid eyeliner. I say as I'm not wearing any. And I can't get it out of the packaging. So there we go. Looks like this, just super simple packaging. Oh. Whoa, that is black. That is like super black. Do you see that? Holy. Very excited to try this out. See how it actually like performs and goes on like your eyeballs. Well, not on your eyeballs, but you know what I mean. Next is another lip plumping gloss. This one's in Champagne Glam. And it looks like this. Again, not sure if you'll be able to see this. It came off almost completely clear with just the very slightest champagne tint to it. Next is another liquid matte lipstick. This one is in the shade Coffee. It looks like this. Shake it up a little bit because it does look like it broke apart also. Yeah, so this is just like a brown. And it looks like that. I'm super excited. Next, I got 2 primers. I got the original Poreless Petit primer, as well as the Luminous Putty primer. I got the Luminous one just because you guys know I'm always looking for luminous things. And I got this one because I also have the Tatcha Putty primer type thing coming from Sephora. And I figured I would test them out against each other. So see if that really is a cheaper version of it, or just see if it still at least does really good work. I've heard awesome things, so I'm very excited. Then I got the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Oh, looks like that, by the way. This is what the packaging looks like. And let's see how the spray is. It's got a good mister. I mean, it basically no different than that Girl On one from my Sephora haul. So smells like coconuts. I'm very excited to give this a go. Got a little bit on my face, so if I have water droplets suddenly, now you know why. Okay, then I got this Monochromatic Multi-Stick and Glistening Peach. Looks like this. It's one of those multi-sticks, so if you don't know what that is, you know, it's like something you can use for your cheeks and your lips and your eyes and whatever. It looks like this. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry about the dogs if you hear them. The kid, or my husband and the kids are outside and the dogs want to go out too, but they're in the front yard, so the dogs can't go out there. But that's what that looks like. Very pretty. Alright, we've got 2 more things and then we're finished. So we've got this Rose Gold Nude Eyeshadow Palette. And it looks like this. Very beautiful colors. I'm very excited to try this out. So, and then the last thing that we have is also an eyeshadow palette. This is the Need It Nude eyeshadow palette, and it just looks like this. So again, very excited to try this out. Alright guys, so that was everything that was in my e.l.f. haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, everything will be listed down below, of course. Prices, everything like that. And I'll keep you updated on how I like the stuff. You know, stay tuned for the full face of e.l.f. so we can see how some of this stuff performs right here on camera. And let me know any other videos that you would like to see. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell on your way out. And thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!